today's class. I'm Miss Nana, and today I'll be leading today's activity since it's a really short activity. As you all may know, we are currently facing a pandemic that is not only affecting my community, but also your community and communities around the world. With that being said, here at SCDC, we hope to provide some ways to help keep you safe and healthy. In the past videos, we taught you all how to make your own hand sanitizer, so we hope that you guys are using that on the go. In today's activity, I'll be showing you guys how to make your homemade mask using socks. So all you need to make your mask is just socks and a pair of scissors. For all of our young viewers, please make sure that you do have an adult with you to do this activity because it does include a sharp tool. So the first step, you're just going to take your socks and then you're going to go ahead and cut the tip of the sock off. Okay. So it should look like this. And then you're going to go ahead and cut right here. Okay, and once you have that part cut off, you're going to go ahead and fold it like this. And then you're going to go ahead and cut the sides right here, but you're not going to cut all the way down. You're going to go halfway through the sock. And there you have it, guys. Your homemade mask using socks. If you decide to make your mask, please go ahead and take a picture and send it to the email down below and share with us. Here are some key guidelines to keep in mind during this time. If possible, please stay home to slow the spread of COVID-19 while the city reopens. Also, wash your hands with soap and warm water for at least 30 seconds or use hand sanitizer when you're on the go. Avoid large gatherings, but when you do go out, it is important to practice physical distancing by staying 6 feet apart. And in general, please wear your face mask or something to cover your face while you're out. Lastly, go ahead and check out your local services to find out where you can get tested for free. With love from SCDC, we hope you are all staying safe and healthy during this time. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned for our next video.